all want our people to love their jobs. So they take care of our business. But sometimes this doesn't work out how we'd like it to. So what is actually happening with some of your people? At Beyond Theory, we believe that work is a force for good. We know that work provides people an income, a place where people can feel both physically and psychologically safe, make friends and build positive relationships. And above all, we know work gives people a sense of purpose. When people feel good, they are more productive and deliver great service. So this means people need to feel valued, and that starts with leadership. Beyond Theory is founded on sound principles based on respected research and focused on outcomes. We offer a bespoke solution and always build long-term relationships with our clients. Because your success is our success. When you're successful, so are we. At Beyond Theory, we always get to know you first. We prefer to visit your company so we can listen and learn firsthand about the challenges you face. After we've understood your needs, we will then provide you with one of our flexible options designed to match your business objectives, reflect your company culture, and fit your budget. So whether that's leadership and management training, which can include formal qualifications and market-leading psychometrics, employee engagement strategies and surveys, or customer excellence consultancy and training. You can come to us, we can come to you, or we could do it online. The choice is yours. Delivering the best customer and employee experience is everything. After all, it's not businesses that succeed, it's people that succeed. Whether you need to turn a manager into an engaging leader, give your teams customer focus and energy, or deal with ambiguity in an ever-changing world, we are here to help. If you're an SME, we can help you to think big. And if you're a larger organisation, we can help you to become more entrepreneurial. Look after your people and they will take care of your business. So we can all enjoy a life inside and outside of work. If you want a cost-effective solution to improve the productivity and customer service levels where you work, then contact us for our expert help, consultancy and training.